What's happening in the metaverse today? We've got breaking news on the hottest quantum computing stocks that you need to be watching right now. Plus, get ready for the massive client wins that are propelling Quantum Computing Inc. to new heights. And we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing's latest strategic developments that have their stock soaring. This is MetaVerse Update, and we've got all the essential intel you need to stay ahead of the curve. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Quantum Computing Stock Surge, the top 5 to watch now. Get ready, investors. Quantum computing is no longer science fiction. It's a rapidly evolving market, and MetaVerse Update has pinpointed the 5 top-tier stocks you absolutely need on your radar. We're talking about IonQ, Rigetti Computing, D-Wave Quantum, Quantum Computing Inc., and Booz Allen Hamilton. These are the heavy hitters making waves right now. Quantum computing stocks are essentially shares in companies pioneering this revolutionary technology, from quantum processors to the software that will harness their power. Investors are flocking to these shares, betting on the disruptive potential of quantum computing to transform everything from secure communication to complex problem-solving in medicine and logistics. The market's buzz around these companies often spikes with every technological leap or major industry partnership, signaling massive growth potential. IonQ Inc. is at the forefront, developing general-purpose quantum computing systems and making their powerful quantum computers accessible through major cloud platforms like Oz, Azure, and Google Cloud. Rigetti Computing Inc. is building cutting-edge superconducting quantum processors and offering access via their cloud services, including their IonQ system. D-Wave Quantum Inc. provides comprehensive quantum computing systems, software, and services, including their Advantage quantum computer and the user-friendly Leap cloud service, backed by a thriving developer community. Quantum Computing Inc. is delivering accessible, portable quantum machines like their Dirac systems, alongside quantum random number generators and advanced quantum cyber solutions. And Booz Allen Hamilton Holding Corporation is integrating quantum computing into its vast array of management and technology consulting services, focusing on AI, machine learning, and decision analytics. These companies have seen the highest trading volumes recently, indicating intense investor interest. This surge follows a period of cooling after massive gains last year, presenting an attractive entry point for savvy investors looking to capitalize on the next wave of innovation. Don't go anywhere, because the real story behind these stock surges is even more electrifying. Next up, we're breaking down the landmark orders that have Quantum Computing Inc. making headlines. Quantum Computing Inc. lands landmark deals, stock soars. This is a game-changer for Quantum Computing Inc. QUBT. After facing scrutiny on whether they could move beyond promising tech to real-world commercial success, QUBT has just announced massive orders from a top-tier U.S. bank and a major automaker. These deals, totaling hundreds of millions, signal a pivotal moment, showing they can secure large-scale traction and integrate their technology with major enterprises. Previously, the biggest question for QUBT was commercial viability. Now, with a $332 million order from a leading U.S. bank and the sale of their EMU Core device to a major automaker, they're proving their worth. This isn't just about innovation, it's about scaling and deployment in critical industries. While QUBT is still working towards profitability and has faced challenges like shareholder dilution, these client wins are a powerful indicator that they are overcoming early-stage adoption hurdles and moving into a new phase of growth. Investors will be closely watching how effectively QUBT executes on these orders and converts them into sustainable, recurring revenue. Public reaction has been overwhelmingly positive, with the stock jumping significantly. Analysts are noting the shift from speculative potential to tangible commercial success, though caution remains regarding execution risks and profitability. This marks a significant step towards establishing QUBT as a serious player in the quantum computing landscape. But the quantum news doesn't stop there. We're about to reveal the strategic moves that sent Rigetti Computing's stock skyrocketing. Get ready for the full breakdown on Rigetti Computing's latest triumphs. Rigetti Computing stock surges on strategic wins and market confidence. Get ready for some electrifying news from Rigetti Computing. Their stock has jumped an impressive 13.06%, fueled by a wave of speculative investor interest and significant technological advancements. This isn't just a small bump, it's a clear signal of growing confidence in Rigetti's future. Rigetti Computing, RGTI, is navigating the complex quantum landscape, and despite some challenging financial metrics like negative profitability margins, the company is making strategic moves that are capturing market attention. Their gross margin remains strong at 40.6%, and they boast minimal leverage with a debt-to-equity ratio of just 0.01, alongside abundant liquidity indicated by a current ratio of 41.6. While the company has seen negative free cash flow, a recent $35 million stock issuance and a focus on strategic collaborations are positioning them for future growth. The real excitement stems from Rigetti's recent strategic partnerships. Their collaboration with India's Centre for Development of Advanced Computing, CDSE, to build hybrid quantum computing systems has significantly boosted investor sentiment. Furthermore, Rigetti's inclusion in prominent industry ETFs, like the Defiance Quantum Computing ETF, underscores its growing importance in the sector. Technically, the stock has shown a strong uptrend, breaking through key resistance levels, with projections suggesting further gains if momentum continues. Analysts are watching closely, with price targets potentially reaching $22. This stock surge reflects a broader market optimism surrounding quantum technology, with Rigetti's strategic positioning and technological breakthroughs making it a key player to watch. Investors are clearly responding positively to their forward-thinking approach. And if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about the latest developments from Rigetti Computing that are creating even more buzz. Up next, we're diving deeper into Rigetti Computing's remarkable performance and what it means for the future. Rigetti Computing stock climbs amid innovation and strategic partnerships. Rigetti Computing Inc. is making serious waves, with its stock climbing by a notable 13.06% thanks to groundbreaking innovation and smart strategic developments. This surge highlights the market's growing enthusiasm for Rigetti's advancements in the quantum computing space. While Rigetti Computing, RGTI, faces financial challenges, including negative profitability margins like an EBIT margin of -2,065%, its strategic direction is proving compelling. The company maintains strong liquidity with a robust current ratio of 41.6 and minimal debt, indicating a solid foundation for its ambitious initiatives. Despite reporting a net income deficit, its revenue stands at $10.79 million, and the company is actively pursuing growth opportunities. The key driver behind the recent stock performance is Rigetti's strategic collaboration with India's CDSE to develop hybrid quantum systems. This partnership has generated significant positive attention, contributing to the stock's substantial increase. Rigetti's inclusion in the Defiance Quantum Computing ETF further solidifies its position within the quantum sector, signaling increased market confidence. Technically, the stock has demonstrated bullish momentum, consistently closing higher and breaking through key resistance levels, suggesting potential for further upward movement. While competitive pressures and financial losses remain factors, the company's strategic partnerships and technological progress paint a cautiously optimistic picture. Market sentiment is leaning positive, with analysts closely monitoring Rigetti's ability to translate these strategic wins into sustainable revenue and operational improvements. The stock's recent performance and ETF inclusion are strong indicators of its potential in the rapidly evolving quantum technology landscape. Stay tuned, because we're about to wrap up all the biggest stories of the day. And finally, we'll give you the ultimate rundown of today's top market movers. What a day in the markets! We saw IonQ, Rigetti Computing, D-Wave Quantum, Quantum Computing Inc., and Booz Allen Hamilton highlighted as top quantum computing stocks to watch. Quantum Computing Inc. secured massive landmark orders from major auto and banking clients, signaling a major commercial breakthrough. And Rigetti Computing's stock surged on the back of strategic developments and key partnerships, showing strong market momentum. Don't miss out on any of these critical updates. Smash that like button, subscribe to MetaVerse Update for all your essential tech and market news, and ring that notification bell. Follow us on all social platforms to stay connected. We'll see you in the next one.